Nothing makes me appreciate life more than waking up in the morning, looking out my window and gazing upon the beauty of nature, soaking up in the tranquility of life. It's almost like every day is a vacation. After a long day, I could take a short stroll to my very own backyard, alone or entertaining friends, and have stunning water views and listen to the soothing sound of the water and nature. It's like living in a beautiful dream. You can have this too. Ambiance Foreshore by Tribitat Real Estate offers you this rare opportunity to own a luxurious lakeside property or home. Set in the heart of nature, it is in the serene district of Sangotedo, Lagos. It comprises of 300 square meters, 500 square meters and Lakeview plots, which have a water frontage with a boat ramp for navigating water transportation and overlooking the Lagos Lagoon and Omo Creek. Are you one who knows and appreciates the finest things of life? Then this is just for you.